Okay, this is John and Mama's coffee time, and I'm making a chocolate pie, and I've got 1.5 cups of sugar in my kettle already, and it calls for 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm putting that in next. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 tablespoons of cornstarch in there. I'll get this out of my way. And then it calls for 5 tablespoons of cocoa. Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if you're like me or not. I've got to count it, keep track of it. So that's 5 tablespoons of cocoa, and I'm going to mix this up. Because if you don't, your cocoa and stuff will clot up, make lumps, and won't blend in with your milk. Now I've got that mixed up pretty good, and it calls for 4 eggs. I'll get this ready.
That's an expensive pie now.
Oh, I reckon so. I didn't think about the eggs being so high. And you save the whites and you use the yolk in there. That's 1. And I've had these out for a little while and got them at room temperature. So that's important too when you're making your pie topping, your meringue. Have your whites at room temperature. That makes 2. And you'll see I'm emptying the whites every time.
In case you get a bad egg, you don't want double.
I don't want to mess it up. So that's all I'm doing is same thing over and over 4 times. Oops, I about goofed. And these are good country brown eggs. And that's my 4 eggs. I'm going to have to wash my hands. So that's all it takes in here right now until we get ready for the milk. And you see I've got 4 eggs in there, and I always mix this up as much as I can. It'll make like a paste.
Stir that.
And I'm gonna, it calls for 3 cups of milk. So here's 2 cups.
Our videographer's not done too good a job.
And see, I've got the sugar, 1.5 cups of sugar, 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 5 tablespoons of cocoa, 4 egg yolks, and then 3 cups of milk. And all we're going to do is cook this until it gets thick. And, then we're going to remove it from the heat and then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla in it and 3 tablespoons of butter. And we'll, be through. And you see I'm gradually adding the milk so it won't clog up. He's got it mixed up. I'm just going to pour that. I'm going to get 1 more cup of milk. And this is whole milk. I can't hold on to nothing. That's the other cup of milk. And now all I'm going to do is take it to the stove and cook it till it gets thick. And you can have that to clean up your mess.
Did I make a man? I think I did.
So this is all I'm going to do.
Mama's over at the stove, giving it a good stir. I think she's about ready.
Yeah, it's about thick enough. It'll get thicker as it gets colder. And you can see right here what it, oh,
It's poppy.
it's popping and it's hot. This is the thickness of it. And I'm going to pour a little vanilla in it. Calls for like a teaspoon. And then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter, or Johnny's going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in there for me. I ain't got that lid right on there.
On it or off?
Off. I'm going to put it in here.
You want it on then?
Yeah. I can't, I got it twisted. Now all I'm going to do is stir it till this butter melts real good. And I need to turn the stove on. I know there's something.
You mean the oven?
Oven.
She's over there getting easy bake, so that butter's melting in there. That'll give it a good shine. She's already whipped her whites. I whipped them for her tonight because she ain't allowed to whip, are you, Mom?
I ain't allowed to use a mixer with this thing on it.
So I was able to get them whipped up, and they're nice peaks.
They did a good job.
I know, I was taught by a good one.
And I'm going to let you hold this up and pour it in there.
Okay.
Just one more second. One more speck of butter. It don't want to melt. Okay, move your butter out of the way and then they can get this out of the way.
All right, this pie crust has been pre-baked. You can pre-bake it however you like it. You talk about upside down and backwards. Here we go, folks. Just pour it right in there. I know you aren't getting the best view, but
No, they're not probably.
you can see the pouring. Mama, you may have to have a bowl of pudding.
Well, I can eat a bowl of pudding. That's really supposed to make 9 regular
9
pie
inch.
shells, but that's a.
Mama,
not
I
a
don't think you
regular
said
one.
something
That's
wrong.
a thick one.
A 9-inch pie shell is what you meant to say?
It's supposed to make 2. This recipe does, but that's just the little flat ones.
Right.
This is a deep.
Deep dish.
So
And that's about all you want to put in it, and you just let it set. Don't worry about how it looks, because we're going to change that in just a second.
go ahead and put the on it, and then I'll stick it in there and brown it. We'll be.
Okay, let's try this again.
You're doing a good job backwards.
And upside down with the camera up in my
Oh.
face. Now this is an art thing. If you want to do it however you want to do it. Pile it high. But look how good that meringue did. I didn't even use cream of tartar. You can.
But I let them at room temperature. That
And
makes
these
a
are
difference.
and these are good country eggs, which
Yeah.
means they've not been done anything to and all that. So now this part is just you being you. Some people like to swirl it. I like to see these at a big church function because they're always different and everybody's got their own little touch. Mama usually just goes all over it and gives it a good peeking. I've got a little chocolate in mine. That's how I do mine.
Oh, that don't hurt. We're just going to eat it, so it don't matter.
And let's see.
Boy, you got it raised up there.
This is one of them good old-timey ones.
Put it over here on the side.
I'll just take it off. I'll put it over here on this plate. You can take it off. And then you can just sort of take all your mistakes away. Nothing hurt. Now, my mama lets you do the final. That side's clean. Use it.
I may not can pick this because this is so
It'll peak.
thick.
It'll peak.
So I usually just it's not peeking as good as that's good.
Of course it ain't, Mama. I made it. Mama will always tell me it ain't doing quite as good as this one.
Well, it's the humidity has a lot to do with when you're doing egg whites and really bad.
Yeah. And she's over there.
Run off.
Run off. Gonna brown it. Man, you can't leave this. You got to stay right there with it. It's almost touching there too, so it won't take but a minute till you get browned peaks. Is your back hurting or what?
Yeah. Been at it for a while.
This kitchen looks like it's ready to fly away, as they say.
I cleaned up the dishes as I went.
No, I took a picture. I don't know. I'm not used to this. And I don't know how to turn the camera tonight, folks. I have forgotten. I took a picture, whatever that takes. Is it browning?
Not yet. It will.
We've done live so long, I don't know how to do a pre-record anymore. There's some way I can turn this camera around.
Yeah. Just leave it like it is.
Don't mess it up.
Well, trying to put the vanilla in the refrigerator.
So that'll be browned up in a minute. Mama, you'll have to go over here and talk. You'll have to be
No, turn
front
it
and center. I can't. That's what we've just been discussing.
Turn it around to you, the whole thing.
I wouldn't ever know where it was at. You can talk tonight. This is your video, Mama.
Oh, this is a pie video.
Tell us about lemon. How do you do lemon? I love lemon. I want a lemon.
I usually use Jell-O lemon pie filling for lemon, but I'm not.
I think it's burning. You don't want to walk away. It was literally on fire.
Oh, it's this high peak up here.
It was literally on fire, folks. She just blowed it out. Bring it on over, Mama.
We're going to have to take that part off. It was too high.
Don't walk away. That was what my advice was. Don't.
It's too high
walk
against
away.
the flame and that.
Come on, Mama. Show
Get your
them.
knife and get that off.
Don't walk away.
Because that was too high up. I didn't notice that.
It smells just like a burnt marshmallow. In case you wonder, know when you're burning your pie crust, your pie.
Yeah.
All right,
I like burnt marshmallows.
there you go. That one peak got a little too high, but that's it, folks. That's a chocolate meringue with a golden and almost a little too golden
I can eat that.
marshmallow piece.
No.
All right, Mama. I can't do anything with this camera. I'll have to relearn everything I ever knew.
Oh, wow.
So tell them good night, Mama.
Good night, Mama, and God bless you all. It's getting real late, and it's time for me to go to bed.
That's
I'll
right.
have to wait till tomorrow to eat pie now.
Yeah, we are out of the bakery business.
Yeah.
She got to quit making sweets. It's in her blood.
It's in there for staying.
Bye, Mama. You have a tell them to have a good night.
Good night. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.